Today we want to talk about a new tape product that YCS has for 2021. Most of our contractors and customers are familiar with both our 3-inch and 4-inch standard seam tapes. We've had good luck with both products over the years. Both products come 180 feet long. They're both a 7.5 mil tape with an aggressive adhesive that bonds well with our vapor barriers. But we took contractor feedback, and over the last year we really worked on developing a seam tape that was catered really to the contractor. The new YCS Pro Seam Tape is 4 inches wide. It's 180 feet long, but as you can see, it's a much more substantial roll. The tape itself is 9 mils. It has more adhesive than the standard YCS seam tape. It's got a glossier finish. Still has the pinked edge, which is really popular among contractors, but it has a really aggressive grab. So I'm going to put a piece down. As you can see, it tears really easily. The tape is also available without the pinked edge for contractors that really like to cut their tape. Once the tape is down, you can see it's got a nice glossy professional look to it. It does have about a 90-second cure time on the adhesive once it's put down, and it's durable. It's going to last for a long time. If you want more information about the YCS Pro Tape, visit our website or give us a call today.